Aminista bara Rais William Ruto athurire no kinya marito yo mbere ya mbunge ya Senate kenda baungo MAURI nibambire kuthuujwa rukiri rorwari mutaratara yu yurayueta na mbere MWANKA NTUKU ya Jumapili yutiete a Kenya bondene ndibere kireti metho yo mbere ya mbunge kenda kuona Aminista ba wa mbere KUNGWA MAURI wakari Minister wakari bondene Profesa KINDIKI ro tariritie mantu kathumba yarakinyaniritie na kubanga ni runguro ministry yawe asoka athiatwa ni Minister wa UGIMA DEBORAH na bangi.
Profesa Abraham Kithore mwana KINDIKI no karembere kwethuria karira mwendetho jo kuthujwa kirikanye ni karia twira gwatirite kwa kagita kameri 21.
Welcome.
Profesa NAJUKIRIE kanya kabo mariru aitetera kumule makalika ja maandamano ja jenzi jareja kalikira muri jo 3 tariki 25 na jareja atumire Pedro Bebuto Ngoge.
Generally, the police tried their best to protect the country against mobs of criminals, arsonists, and other dangerous people, including those who visited Parliament and wanted to kill parliamentarians and other people. The police did their best.
Ikirimeru kinezo kire murongamo na ugando angisho kaleja ndeguru nekinyi beitire Ngoge yao chore batere kwedure gitwa.
To what extent do you think ministerial responsibility for the brutality meted on Kenyans by security organs? At what level do you think you can take responsibility for that? What new ways are you going down to do to stop that?
Do you think that as a CS, you should not also have taken responsibility, political responsibility for that failure that the resignation confirms, and also either resigned?
Honorable member has said that the director of the Secret Service resigned, but also drew a parallel and said our IG also resigned. The minister did not resign in the US. I don't know why the Kenyan minister must resign.
Baba inge nabo bakiama bakamiti je kudhuja irithiri tongere speaker BUNGENE Moses Wetangula ibonekane bagitikanirya Profesa KINDIKI nethiri tolete mogaruru kuja mainge ende maandamano ja jensi na njere kana ingi jatikira jamwekirite mandoandoa.
You have failed to designate picketing corners, and Kenyans imagine you can picket anywhere and everywhere.
It's something that we can process in the shortest time possible to avoid a situation like what we've had in the past 1 month of protests which are unmanaged and which have exposed us to deaths and destruction of property.
Idha jare unajo Profesa nashokira tarire mawega jawe kiri meriji 21 ari ona nererie ntushe maandamano chategero mono nkuruke mantu ja mega ireja kalikite.
First was we've got the original ID, now Huduma number, now Maisha number. So aren't we confusing everything? Can't we have just one?
The card has a bit of technology chips, and we want to upgrade that chip based on the security threats that will be identified by that time.
You are more in the sky than on earth.
I have always landed. For every flight, I have landed. And finally, on the issue of uniform, what I wear is tactical attire, because there are some things which protective clothing that you need tactical wear to be able to have protective clothing and protective facilities, because you're in a dangerous situation. I don't wear that on the streets of Nairobi.
You are upstanding.
Daktari Deborah Barasa ororoti kanya ka ministry wa UGIMA athingatire na gukarira mwendo jo kuthujwa harakire mashokiro ja maingi ja konekana jo mugambo jo mwe jaju mwitire jo Ngoge jo kedro jo kwaranira bangi kana na gichonko consultation approach.
I would like to respond to the honorable member regarding the health, the devolved government. So again, a consultative approach.
Bwana Gamba Migosi oroti kanyane ka ministry ya kithomo nethiro akithingatiriria Daktari Deborah Barasa ara muthiene bisu ipantuya orana oroti kanyane ka ministry okalia bome ethiro akingia kuthujwa kwa NTUKU NARUA.
Memoranda was
shughuli je kuthujwa kethiro kiende na mbere NTUKU rojo ara minister bangi bakoroto batano bakethiro bekarira mwendetho jojo ni kethiro ikinyira muthia NTUKU KIUMIA. Nke reporter Ntoshero TV kumajikaro ne bya bunge kingi nangine ne kineke musho Nairobi Mbita Boniface Mungera.